What if I told you that students across the United States are using free AI tools to study faster, write better, and slash their stress levels, all without cheating? And the crazy part is, most students still don't even know these tools exist. Let me show you the absolute best free AI tools every student in the US should be using right now. Between lectures, mountains of assignments, looming exams, and maybe even a part-time job, students are under more pressure than ever before. It feels like there's never enough time. But the secret AI isn't about taking shortcuts or getting someone else to do your work. It's about working smarter, not harder. It means less time studying, better grades, and way lower stress. Alright, let's dive into the top free AI tools, and we're going to move fast. First up, the king, ChatGPT, the free version. It's perfect for understanding difficult topics, prepping for exams, and brainstorming ideas for your essays. For example, if you're completely stuck on calculus, you can literally ask ChatGPT to explain it to you like you're 12 years old. It breaks down complexity into something you can actually grasp. Next, you need Grammarly's free version. This is non-negotiable. It fixes your grammar, improves clarity, and even helps adjust your tone before you submit any assignment. Trust me, those small edits lead to big improvements in your grades. It's like having a proofreader on call 24/7. Then there's Google Gemini. This tool is excellent for deep research, breaking down complex concepts, and getting structured explanations. I find it's especially powerful for science, history, and any theory-heavy subjects where you need clear, logical breakdowns of information. Moving on to visuals, you have to check out Canva's free plan. Need to make a presentation, a poster, or an infographic? You can create something that looks professionally designed in just a few minutes. Business and marketing students, in particular, absolutely love this tool for making their projects stand out. And finally, for writing, there's Quillbot's free version. This helps you paraphrase your research ethically and improve the flow of your sentences. It's a fantastic way to rephrase information in your own voice and helps you avoid accidental plagiarism, which is a huge deal. Now, let's talk about productivity and note-taking. Notion AI has a limited free version that is a total game-changer for organization. You can organize your entire semester in one single dashboard. Think schedules, class notes, project deadlines, everything all in one clean, accessible place. It's your digital command center. Another lifesaver is Otter, AI's free plan. This incredible tool records audio and turns it into searchable text. Imagine turning your lectures into notes you can search with a keyword. This is a lifesaver for online classes or for anyone who needs better accessibility. No more frantically trying to type every single word the professor says. For focused learning, you can't beat Khan Academy's AI. Unlike tools that just give you the answer, this one provides step-by-step guidance to help you actually learn the material. It's perfect for math, science, and mastering those fundamental concepts you'll build on all semester. Now, this next part is incredibly important. We have to talk about using AI ethically. These tools are meant to help you learn, not to replace your effort. Never just copy and paste raw AI content and submit it as your own. Always follow your school's academic integrity policies. The goal is to use AI to understand a topic better, not to cheat the system. When you use it responsibly, AI becomes your personal study assistant, not a dishonest shortcut. Looking ahead, the role of AI in U.S. education is just getting started. Soon, we'll see personalized AI tutors that adapt to your specific learning style, even smarter learning platforms, and incredible new accessibility tools. The students who learn how to leverage AI ethically and effectively right now are going to have a serious advantage in their careers. So, if you're a student in the United States, these free AI tools can save you a ton of time, money, and stress. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which AI tool are you going to try first?